Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Salafi's Corner, and today we are going to be making stitch braid for my clients. So I section our hair into two parts, and I'm going to be making like one on the parts that I've sectioned in order for me to be able to hold this when I want to braid all of them together. So I think this is the easiest way to make stitch braid. If you find stitch braid very difficult to make, try this method and thank me later. This is very easy. The moment you pick everything down like this, you just go ahead and then start braiding without stress. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you're very much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you at the end of the video. I am done with the picking, and it is time to add our extension. For the extension, we are using one Brazilian wool for this particular hairstyle. So yeah, I am already adding my extension, and I'm holding the ones that I've picked already. I'm just adding them one after the other. Can you see how easy it is, guys? This method is very easy. Go and try it and come back and thank me later. So guys, if you're still watching up until now, thank you very much for watching, and if you're a new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back. All my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the video. So So guys, we are done with the cornrows, so it is time to donut them together. So I did the donuting with needle and thread, tack everything together so that it won't fall off. And here I'm just combing out any excess hair and tuck them in. So basically that's what I did. Thank you guys for watching, and this is the final result. I hope you like, share, comment, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.